On the peninsula this evening, a bitter battle over plans to expand a private girls' school in Palo Alto. Now the opponents say that the school's expansion will flood their neighborhood with cars. KPIX5's Devin Fehely joining us live from Palo Alto with the details. Devin?
Yeah, I'm here at Castilleja High School. Now, the opposition is focused primarily on an underground parking garage that's going to be built over in this area that they say will dump hundreds of cars into their otherwise quiet neighborhood.
The environmental impact report describes the effect of the school's expansion on traffic as, quote, significant and unavoidable, echoing the complaints of many neighbors.
They will basically destroy this neighborhood, this section of Emerson Street. There's only 3 houses on this side of the street, and they would bulldoze 2 of them.
Castilleja, a private all-girls middle and high school, is planning a massive renovation, replacing aging classrooms on one side of its campus and building an underground parking lot under the softball diamond on the other. The problem is all of the cars entering that parking structure would empty out onto this small tree-lined street behind the school.
We need to work with the city of Palo Alto to revisit our plans and look at how we can modify our plans so that we can minimize the traffic impact on the neighborhood.
The school's plans have ignited fierce and passionate debate amongst neighbors whose yard signs either denounce the project or announce their support for it.
They have not been a good neighbor.
Andy Reed says Castilleja has long ignored its agreement with the city to cap enrollment at 415 students and now wants to up that number to 540, rewarding, she says, the school's bad behavior.
Enrollment increase that is outrageous for the density that it would cause in this little 6-acre lot.
We have worked very hard to regain the trust of our neighbors. We realized that we lost trust in the community when it was learned that we were over-enrolled, and we're working very, very hard to re-earn their trust.
Castilleja hopes the renovation will mark a new era for the school, but past mistakes and old grievances may yet stand in the way.
It's ultimately going to be up to the city council to decide what gets built, if anything, here at Castilleja. It will also be interesting to see if the school can modify its plans enough to make converts out of its current critics. In Palo Alto, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.